Hello everyone. Today's lesson is evaluating or solving numerical expressions by using the order of operations. And I have this here to remind you the order. If there's a parenthesis, you use them first and then exponent. And then you do multiplication or division and then addition or subtraction. Now, you have been learning a little review here. You have been learning exponent from base 10 to the fifth power. So if you were told the number here for base 10, that's how many zero you have is 5, which is true. But how does it become to have 5 0? 10 is the base number. So basically you multiply 10 5 times. The exponent tell you how many times you multiply the base. So it's 110, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 number 10. If you multiply them together, you have 100,000. That's 50 right here. Now, to understand exponent, you have to understand what the number represent. So here we go. So you have 2 here, it's called a base, and 3 here, exponent. That's telling you, that means you multiply the base, the number of exponent is telling you. There's 3, so you multiply the base 3 times, whatever number it is. So here you're going to have 1 number 2, 2 number 2, and 3 number 2. So you multiply 2 3 times. Let's say if I have, I'm going to move it up here. Let's say if I have 4 to the second, okay? That means 4 times 4. You multiply 4 2 times, which is equal to 16, okay? So let's do a few problems. And you will get to know it very soon and very easy. Okay, I'm going to leave it here, as I said. So let's see. Our first problem is this. Let's have 12 plus 36 divided by 4. All right? Now, I'm going to leave 12 alone. I know that I have to do addition last and multiplication or division first. It's tell you right there. So I'm going to have 12 here plus 36 divided by 4 is going to give me 9. So I'm going to put an equal here. Okay. And then 12 plus 9 is equal to 21. Okay. That's the order of operation. Now let's see if we can do another one. This is so easy. Now let's go. Let's have this one. Let's say if I have 14 times 3 plus 28 divided by 7. Okay, so I'm going to multiply 14 times 3 first. Give me 42. Plus sign come down here. Now 28 divided by 7 is going to give me 4. And 42 plus 4 is going to give me 46. So that's the answer. See how easy that is? Okay. Let's try another one. Now, this is the one where I'm going to go back with the exponent. So let's say I have 7 to the second power. Okay. Plus 3. That's the exponent 2. That means I'm going to multiply the base is 7 2 times. So meaning here 7 times 7 plus 3. So 7 times 7 here is 49 plus 3. So 49 plus 3 equal to 52. Okay, see how easy that is? Alrighty. Let's do another one. This is easy too. Exponents are fun. Here's 5 to the second multiply 3 to the second. So I'm going to have to break it down. Okay, so that means I multiply the base 2 times. 5 times 5. Here's the multiplication come down. I'm going to multiply the base 2 times. Just like I said, 3 times 3. So equal here. 5 times 5 is 25. Multiply. 3 times 3 is 9. Now 25 times 9 is going to give me 225. Okay, so if you want to do the math down here, it's like 25 times 9. Okay, 9 times 5 is 45, right? It's 5. You get 4 here. 9 times 8, 9 times 2 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. There you go. See how easy that is? Okay, let's do another one. It's going to be so easy. Let's go here. Let's say if I have 8 to the second, I'm going to divide. Here's the parenthesis. 9 minus 5. Remember, here's the rule. You're going to do the parenthesis first. I'm going to have the equal sign here because I'm going to keep 8 to the second here. I'm going to do one step at a time. So 9 minus 4, I'm not changing anything. So 9 minus 5 equal to 4. So now I'm going to do the exponent. So this means 8 times 8 2 times. Divide by 4. You see? So 8 times 8 is 64. And here the division sign divided by 4 equal. So 64 divided by 4. Let's do here. 64 divided by 4. Give me one time here. Here's 4. Oopsie. 6 minus 4 is 2. I'm going to bring the 4 down. Here's 4. 6 times 4 is 24. 0, 0. So the answer is 16. See how easy that is? Alrighty, let's do a few more. Alright, let's see. Let's say I'm going to have this. Here is a parenthesis. Here's 17. I know it looks like a letter C. Minus 6. Alright. Divided by 2. Multiply. In a parenthesis. 12 plus 11. Alright. Now, I'm going to do what in the parenthesis first. Since it's minus, we're going to do it last, right? We're going to do the division first. So, I'm going to have 17 here. I'm going to put it down here. Just run it down. Doesn't do anything. 6 divided by 2 is going to give me 3. The minus sign here. See how that goes? And I multiply here. And 12 plus 11 is going to give me 23. So now I'm going to subtract. 17 minus 3 is going to give me 14 multiplied to 23. Okay. And 14 times 23 is going to give me 322. Okay. Now if you want to do the long division, that's fine. I can do it here. 23 times 14. 4 times 3 is 12. Carry the 1 over here. 4 times 2 is 8, which one is 9. Got a 0 here. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. Put a plus. Here's 2. 9 plus 3 is 12. Here's 1. Carry 1 over here. 2 plus 1 is 3. You see? That's the answer. See how simple that is? It's very simple. Okay. Now, let's go with this one. Now we can have a parenthesis within a parenthesis, which is nice. Right? Now let's see what I have. I'm going to have a parenthesis here. Have 1 here. Plus, okay, this is a big. You can have a bracket or a parenthesis, a bigger parenthesis, which either way is fine. Then here and here, I have 2 plus 16. Okay. Put this in. And time is multiply 8. Oops. Times 8. Okay. And here's a big parenthesis. And divided by 5. Alright. I'm going to solve the parenthesis within first. I'm going to have an equal here. I'm going to leave the 1 here. The big parenthesis here. Going to have the 1 here. I'm going to plus here. 12. No, not 12. 2 plus 16 is 18. So this become 18. And I'm going to multiply 8 right here. Do you see that? I'm going to close the parenthesis. We only solved the small one. Divided by 5. Now we're going to do within the parenthesis first. Now I'm going to have 1 here plus 18 times 8. Okay. 18 times 8, I know is 144. And going to be divided by 5. Right? So now, because this is in here, I'm going to have 145. Because I just want you to know that. Because the moment you multiply 18 times 8, you're going to add 1. So it could be 145 divided by 5. And I know that will give me 29. Okay? Now here, I'm going to go over here. 145 divided by 5. It's going to give me 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Okay? Nope. Here's 4. Here's 0. I'm going to bring the 5 down. Okay? And 9 times 5 is 45. 0, 0. So the answer is 29. See how easy that is? All right. And let's see. Let me try this one with you. All right. Let's have the big parenthesis here. I'm going to have 8 plus a parenthesis here, 2 to the 4th. All right, that's my number 2, a little bit funny. Plus 3, closed, and the big parenthesis or bracket is the other one, divided by 9. So now, I'm going to have to expand the exponent inside. So I'm going to have a here, okay, plus, all right, I'm going to do it one step at a time. That means I'm going to multiply 2 4 times. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and 4 times. And I'm going to plus 3, a big parenthesis here, okay, just like this one here, and divided by 9. Now, I'm going to solve this. Here's 8 here, plus here, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16, right? So, here's 16. Did I have a 3? Okay, here's 16 and 16 and plus 3 here, right? Here's a big one, the big parenthesis, divided by 9. So, over here, when you add 8 plus 16 plus 3, it's going to give you 27. Here your division by 9, and 27 divided by 9 is going to give you 3. Okay? So, see how simple and easy that is? Now, everything that I've gone through with you, you can use that to practice this. Okay, if you want to practice it, and I give right here, if you throw the screen, you can see the order of operation. And until next time, bye-bye.